Hello and welcome back to Calling's tutorial. I am Imran and today we are going to learn a new topic or new command. Yesterday we learned about rm command. Okay, rm command was stand for removing directories and folders. In today's lesson we are going to learn about cp command. Okay, actually cp command is a very interesting command and we will try to completely cover it, or we will cover something that are useful for you guys. Okay. I will open the home subdirectory or root directory to show you a little graphical form or to be a little comprehensive for you. Okay, from this side I am opening desktop. Okay, I will change my current directory to desktop. Now I'm in desktop. You can see here. Okay, what we learn is cp command. Cp command stands for copying. We use this cp command whenever we want to copy directories and folders. Okay, directories, folders, file, code file, python file, java file, any files. Okay, from one directory to another directory or from one file to another file. Okay, let me tell you about the structure or show you the structure and how we use cp command. Okay, after that we use some options. Okay, flags or options. Okay, options. Okay, after options, source means the file name or the directory name that you want to copy it. Okay, to destination means destination part where you want to save it or copy it. Okay, so let's start. First I will create a file here, mkdir folder. Okay, it's a folder. I'm going to create a file to touch by cat command. Okay, cat file1.txt. okay, this is new file. Okay, .txt format control D back. Okay, see, I will open it. You can see here. Okay, so I want to create a file which isn't exist by the name of file2.txt, and I want to copy the content of this file1 inside the new file, which means file2.txt. okay, a text format. For the purpose we came here cp. Okay, copy it. What do you want to copy? file1.txt. okay, to what you want to copy? A new file, file2.txt. okay, I want to create. Okay, it isn't exist here. Okay, you can see it isn't exist, but I want to create this, as well as I want to copy all the contents, all the data which are inside this file one. Okay, hit enter button. See brothers, it had been created. Okay, and now see what are inside. Okay, you can see the cat command, cat file1.txt. first I'm seeing file1. See brother, and now I want to see what are inside file2.txt. file2.txt. okay, cat it is file2.txt, file2.txt format. Why not working? Cat file2.txt. okay, now see here, these both are the same. Okay, you learn that we can copy the data or the content of one file to another file by using of cp command. Okay, and now I'm going to copy this file inside this directory. Okay, for this purpose we say we type cp copy. Okay, what do you want to copy? file1.txt. the file which name is file1.txt. Here the destination part. Okay, just I want to copy this to this okay, first I'm gonna show you what are inside this directory. Okay, for this purpose you can just ls okay, nothing are inside directory. Okay, so I'm going to copy cp mean copy this file1 .txt format to add directory. Okay, now you can see this file have been copied. Okay, but if you want to copy multiple directories, how can we copy it? Okay, cp file1.txt, file2.txt. if it be thousand of directories, and just type the names, okay, in just the destination path. Okay, the destination path. But remember what this command do. This file1.txt files already exists inside this A. Okay, it will overwrite it. Overwrite mean that it will delete the data, remove the data which are here. Okay, I will edit a little this. Okay, this is new one. Okay, actually, for example, it's 2 line. Okay, 2 line. Okay, but this file which are exist out of this A folder, it's 1 line. Okay, 1 line data. This command will actually do, it will overwrite. Okay, overwrite mean that it will override the data which are inside that. So I'm hitting the enter button to show you. Okay, I will come here back to A, hit the enter button, C. Now see here. Okay, just I'm showing you A. This 2 file have been came there. Okay, or moved. Get file1.txt. Show me what are inside file1.txt. The file have been overwritten. If you want to not overwrite the file, okay, we use a -i. -i is done for interactive. It will ask for confirmation. Okay, just do this again. Okay, it will ask me for overwriting. I will bring a little changes first here. Okay, this new file, Control S. Now I'm inside desktop. I want to copy, cp copy, copy. Okay, copy file1.txt to file2.txt. oh sorry, I'm so sorry. For now I'm here. Okay, I will delete one of this. Now see, I will type this command again. Actually I forgot -i here. Okay, because not working there. -i is done for interactive. It will ask me if this file overwrite for me or no. See brother, cp overwrite A. Do you want to overwrite? If you want to overwrite, you can just type yes. Okay, but short form just type Y. If you don't want to overwrite, just type no. N. Okay, N. This 2 file exist inside this A, so it asked me for both of this file. Okay, no. Yeah, hit the enter button. I will clear the terminal. You learn about this. Okay, but if you want to copy directories inside into another directory, I will create a new directory by the name of mkdir b directory. Okay, this B directory, I want to copy what are inside this A directory, this text file inside this B. How can we do this? Okay, cp. Okay, now -r. Okay, if you don't use -r, it will not. Okay, it will not allow us. -r or big or small r, capital and small. This both can be usable here. It means recursive. It will copy recursively. Okay, A. Okay, this A, I want to copy this A, but I want to copy it inside another directory which isn't exist. Okay, by the name of C. The C directory isn't exist here. Okay, so what happened? Just hit the enter button. See brother, it create a new directory for me by the name of C. Okay, just ls C and show me here this 2 file. This 2 file which are inside A, it copied to C. But you might ask, okay, where is the A directory? It doesn't copy the directory A. Okay, it will not copy the directory A for us. Okay, whenever the directory doesn't exist, okay, and we want to copy the data and create a new directory as well, as it will only copy or transfer the file which are inside the directory. But if you want to for this purpose, okay, that if you want to copy the A directory directly to C directory, okay, for this just type that command again, okay, or you can you can write B. Okay, B exists with me. Okay, see brother, nothing is inside this B, but after entering this command or hitting this enter button, see what happened. Okay, open B, see now the directory A as well as came or transferred to B directory, and they are the file inside the directories. Now I'm coming to show you something very interesting. It's not important that we can do this, okay, but what we actually use. Okay, I'm going to transfer this file, okay, which name imran.cpp, a file by the name of C++, imran.c++. Okay, I want to transfer to this folder, or to this A. I will create another folder inside, okay, cd A, okay, mkdir A. Okay, now see, I'm going to bring that file here. Okay, for this purpose, okay, imran to A, to this small A, cd back to home directory. Okay, you can see imran.c++. Okay, cp copy for me imran.c++. Now give the destination part desktop. Okay, desktop A, hit the enter button. Now go in C. The file have been copied. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, if this video is helpful for you, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Have a nice and beautiful day.